Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video, we will be seeing about the testing jobs and we have got few of the referral email addresses that we would like to share with you. So there are multiple hirings that are going on in couple of companies. So we will be sharing that details with you. Apart from that, the job openings are all work from office. They are not remote job openings, right? So many of you might be expecting remote job opportunities, but these are all work from office job opportunities. And as and when we get to know about work from home remote, then we will update you accordingly. But before that, if you are watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. So the very first job opening is from the company Nagaro. So they are hiring multiple profiles. They are hiring multiple SDET roles. So they are looking for automation testers, wherein experience is 2.5 to 5 years, and the skills required will be API testing, Postman, REST Assured, and Selenium. Location will be Mumbai, Gurugram, Noida, Delhi. So these kind of automation testing jobs are very frequently opening in Nagaro. If you will see last 6 months, 8 months, a lot of job openings have been coming up. So please apply to these companies. I am sharing the email addresses also, right? So you can share your email address, sorry, you can share your updated resume at tripti.pal@nagaro.com, right? So she's working in the recruitment team itself and you can apply. Second position is for the associate staff engineer. The experience required is 4.1 to 7 years. Again, API testing, CI/CD, SQL. Location will be Gurugram. And the skill set too, apart from that, they need Java, REST Assured, Selenium, Test Ng, right? Notice period is up to 30 days. So at least it is good they are not looking for immediate joinees, because if you will see, everyone is looking for immediate joiners these days. But what about the people who are already working somewhere? They cannot join on the fly. So that's a good thing. Then staff engineer experience required is 5.5 to 8.5 years. Location is Chennai. For DevOps, Selenium, and SQL. Then for another skill set they need is for API testing, Java, Postman, REST Assured, Selenium, right? And then it is Postman, REST Assured, Test Ng. Notice period is up to 20 to 30 days. So good amount of hiring. So you can see they are hiring from 2.5 to 5 years. Apart from that, 4 to 7 years mid-level. Then again, senior level experience guys they are looking. And then further openings are also there. You can see up to 13 years they are looking. So 7.5 to 10 years also they are looking for someone with API testing, Selenium, Python, database testing. So you Python and Java both are in demand these days, right? Then second skill set they are looking is for Cypress and Selenium. Then they have associate principal engineer kind of an opening wherein experience required is 9 to 13 years. And skill set is required is test planning, test strategy. Location will be Bangalore. Notice period will be up to 30 days. And this is the email address. So a lot of job openings are there. Multiple roles are there with multiple profiles, multiple skill sets they are looking. So if you fall in any of these skill sets, then please do apply. And for mock interviews, you can share your CV at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. We are also on TopMate. So I'll be sharing the TopMate details also in the comment section of this video. You can book your slot for the upcoming Tuesday for 16 January itself, right? Then apart from Nagaro, the second company which is doing hiring is Ernst& Young. They are hiring QA automation professionals. Experience required is 7 to 10 years. You can share your CV. Oh, this is the email address. This is the referral email address wherein you can share your CV. But the email subject should be QA automation. And you should mention years of experience, notice period in months, current location. And the resume file name should be your name underscore QA automation underscore years of experience. So that would be easy for the person to refer, right? Now, what are the skill set? What are the qualifications that we need to have? Is location is Gurgaon, 7 to 10 years of experience. Someone should have BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, right? And then strong experience in test automation using Java, JavaScript, Python. Then in tools like Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, and rest assured, then someone who has worked in agile methodology. Again, Kubernetes Docker knowledge is a plus, is a something that is nice to have, that is not mandatory. But yes, experience with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Azure DevOps is very much required. And working knowledge of unit testing tools such as JUnit is a plus. So again, this is second job opportunity. But I would just wanted to request you that as we are getting these email addresses, so don't put spam. If you will spam these email addresses, they might take some action on this video also, which has been created after a lot of efforts. And it's a holiday today, it's a Sunday, but still we got these referral email addresses, so I thought to record this video for you. So please do hit the like button. All this information is being shared absolutely free to you, and you can also pass on this information. If it is not relevant to you, you can pass on to your network, to your friends, if they would also like to give, right? So couple of job opportunities for these two companies, right? And you can share your CV today itself, or you can share it by tomorrow, because the hiring would be started. Many of the people would have started applying, as these job openings were there on LinkedIn as well, right? So wish you all the best for this particular job openings, and thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.